Assalamualaikum dear student. Today I am going to discuss the next topic of class 10, which is the branches of chemistry. First we discuss the branch of chemistry. The first one is organic chemistry, the second one is inorganic chemistry, the third one is analytical chemistry, fourth one physical chemistry, and fifth one nuclear chemistry. The sixth one is biochemistry, and the seventh one is environmental chemistry, and the last and eighth one is industrial chemistry. First one discuss the organic chemistry in simple way. First of all, organic chemistry, the word organic means organism. Organism means plants and animals. The compound obtained from organism. The compound obtained from the organism called hydrocarbons. What is a hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon means those compounds which contain carbon and hydrogen. For example, natural gas, CH4, methane gas. Now, in those compounds which obtained from the hydrocarbons called derivatives. What is derivative? Derivative basically those compounds which contain carbon, hydrogen and special type of group. This special type of group is called functional group, called derivatives. For example, alcohol, C carbon, H hydrogen and OH. OH is the functional group, indicate the alcohol. The second is the glucose. Now define organic chemistry in one sentence. The study of hydrocarbon and derivative is called organic chemistry. Now start the second branch, which is called inorganic chemistry. The name indicate inorganic, mean non-organism, non-living things, mean those substances. The study of all elements and its compound except hydrocarbons and derivative is called inorganic chemistry. For example, metals, minerals, etc. Now define, repeat this one in detail. Inorganic chemistry, the branch of chemistry in which we study about all the elements and its compound except hydrocarbon and derivatives is called inorganic chemistry. Now start the third one branch, which is the analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry means the study of quality and quantity. The study of quality and quantity is called analytical chemistry. What is quality? Quality means what kinds of particles are present in matters. What is particle? Particle may be ion, atoms, molecule. And the second one is quantity. Quantity means how much number and mass of matter are present. So define again. The study of quality and quantity of matter is called analytical chemistry. Now start the fourth one branch, which is called physical chemistry. Physical chemistry means the study of physical behavior of matters. For example, physical property, for example, physical changes. For example, there are three states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. If we convert solid into liquid state, this conversion is called melting point. Now, if the liquid again convert into a solid state called freezing point. Now, if the liquid further convert into gas state called evaporation, also called boiling. But the main difference between evaporation and boiling is the temperature. If the temperature at all is called evaporation, if the temperature is specific, they are called boiling. Now, if the convert gas again to liquid state, this conversion is called condensation. Now, if the solid state convert directly to gas state, this conversion is called sublimation. If the gas again convert directly into solid state, this conversion is called deposition. All these conversions are physical property and physical changes. So the study of physical behavior of matter is called physical chemistry. Another way, we have also defined the physical chemistry, the branch of chemistry in which we study the physical properties, the physical changes along its composition is called physical chemistry. Now start the nuclear chemistry. Nuclear chemistry indicate the atom nuclei. And the nuclei may be stable, may be unstable. For example, changes occur in the nuclear of an atom is called nuclear chemistry. For example, these changes are nuclear fissions, nuclear fusion and transmutation. These type of changes occur in the nuclear atom, so their study is called nuclear chemistry. And the radiation which emit from the atom, first one alpha particle, beta particle and gamma particles. Now start the biochemistry. And the name indicates bio mean life, chemistry mean chemical reaction. So the study of biomolecule and their chemical reaction which occur in the bodies of living things. For example, chemical reaction of biomolecule occur in the bodies of living thing is called biochemistry. Mean carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins. These are the biomolecule and their reaction occur in the bodies called biochemistry. Now, the second last one is the environmental chemistry. What is environment? Everything around us and their changes occur around us are called environment, and these changes occur in the environment are called environmental chemistry. These changes affect the environment, for example, air pollution, water pollution, for example, global warming, ozone depletion, all these studies called environmental chemistry. Now the last one, industrial chemistry. Industries and factories, there are main difference between industry and the factory. Factory means small scale, industry means large scale. If we prepare any substance on the base of large scale by different methods, techniques, their study is called industrial chemistry. So industrial chemistry basically the branch of chemistry. So industrial chemistry basically the branch of chemistry in which we study about different chemical techniques for the preparation, for the manufacturing, for the synthesis of different material on the base of large scale. This branch is called industrial chemistry. For example, cement, fertilizer, medicine, etc., etc. So in the last one, we repeat all the branches in simple way. First one, organic chemistry. Organic chemistry basically the branch of chemistry in which we study about the hydrocarbons and their derivatives. What is the hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon mean those substances, those compounds which obtained from organism which contain carbon and hydrogen is called hydrocarbon. And those compounds which obtain further from the hydrocarbon is called derivative. Derivative have specific group called functional group. Now the second one is inorganic chemistry, the branch of chemistry in which we study all the elements and its compound except hydrocarbon and derivative is called inorganic chemistry. And the third one, analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry basically the branch of chemistry in which we study the quality and quantity of matter. What is quality? Quality means what kind of particles in atoms, ion, molecule are present, and the quantity means how much number and mass are present. So the study of quality and quantity is also called analytical chemistry. Now the fourth one is physical chemistry, means the study of physical behavior of matter. Also called physical chemistry, means the branch of chemistry in which we study about the physical changes, the physical properties along its composition of a matter. It's called physical chemistry. The fifth one is nuclear chemistry, the branch of chemistry in which we study the changes occur in the nuclear atom. These changes may be nuclear fission, nuclear fusion, and transmutation are called nuclear chemistry. Biochemistry means the study of biomolecules and their reaction occur in the bodies of living things, because bio means life, so they relate to the life molecules. Environmental chemistry, the branch of chemistry in which we study about the environment and their changes, their effects and interactions with plants and animals, is called environmental chemistry. And the last one, industrial chemistry, the branch of chemistry in which we study different chemical processes, different chemical methods for the manufacturing of different substances on the basis of large scale. Large scale is must one, because large scale and small scale differ from the factories and the industry. So therefore they are called on the basis of large scale, for example cement, fertilizer and medicine. So thank you.
Sir, can I ask one question in inorganic chemistry? You write there non-organism. What is mean by non-organism?
Mean those substances which obtain from the earth. For example, minerals. For example, water. For example, sodium. For example, iron. They are called non-metals. So therefore, they are called inorganic chemistry. Thank you, sir.